Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Talks, the podcast where learning English feels natural, friendly, and fun.
Hi, everyone. I'm James, and I'm here with the always cheerful Jane. How are you today, Jane?
I'm great, James. I had a nice, slow morning, so I feel fresh and ready to go. How about you?
I'm doing well, too. I had my favorite breakfast, toast with peanut butter and coffee. You know me, I can't start a day without coffee.
Same here. I think many people agree with you. Coffee just makes mornings better.
That's true. So, Jane, what are we chatting about today?
Today's topic is a really fun and useful one, daily routines. It's something we all have, and it's a great way to practice using English verbs and time expressions.
Exactly. Whether you're talking about your job, your morning habits, or even your weekends, you use routine vocabulary all the time.
That's right. So if you're learning English, today's episode will help you describe your day clearly and naturally.
Before we dive in, don't forget to like this episode, subscribe to Daily English Talks, and share it with your friends who are learning English too.
Yes, and make sure to comment below and tell us one thing you always do every day. We love reading your messages.
All right, Jane, shall we start with a real example?
Yes. Today we're going to listen to a story from one of our listeners, Lily. She sent us a message describing her daily routine, and it's a wonderful example for English learners.
Perfect. Let's listen carefully to Lily's story, and after that, we'll talk about it and compare it with our own routines.
Hi, everyone. My name is Lily, and I'd like to share my daily routine with you. On weekdays, I wake up at 6:15 a.m. My alarm always rings twice before I finally get out of bed. The first thing I do is open the curtains and let the sunlight in. That helps me wake up faster. Then I head to the bathroom to brush my teeth, wash my face, and get ready for the day. After that, I go straight to the kitchen and make myself a cup of coffee. Strong coffee. While I'm drinking it, I check my phone for messages and read the news. Around 6:45, I make breakfast. Usually I eat oatmeal with fruit or toast with peanut butter. After breakfast, I get dressed for work. My office is quite close, so I walk there. It takes about 20 minutes. When I arrive, I turn on my computer and check my emails. I work as a graphic designer, so I spend most of my day designing and editing projects. At 12:30 p.m., I take a lunch break. I usually bring food from home, maybe pasta or a salad. I like to eat with my coworkers and chat about movies or weekend plans. In the afternoon, I finish up my projects and attend a few online meetings. My workday ends around 5 p.m. When I get home, I relax for a while. Sometimes I watch YouTube videos or read a book. Then, around 7 p.m., I cook dinner. I enjoy trying new recipes during the week. After dinner, I clean up, take a shower, and spend some time with my family. Sometimes we watch a series together. Before bed, I write in my journal for a few minutes. It helps me reflect on my day, and then I go to sleep around 10:45 p.m. That's my weekday routine.
That was wonderful. Thank you, Lily, for sharing your day with us.
Yes, what a lovely and organized routine. I like how she mentioned specific times. It helps English learners understand how to structure their own descriptions.
Absolutely. She used a lot of useful verbs, too. Wake up, brush, wash, get dressed, cook, clean, write. Those are everyday actions we all use.
And I noticed she walks to work. That's a great habit. Walking is not only healthy, but it also gives you time to think or listen to something educational, like this podcast.
Perfect plug, Jane. But yes, walking is a wonderful way to start your day.
And her breakfast sounded delicious. Oatmeal with fruit, that's a healthy choice. What about you, James? What's your usual breakfast like?
Mine is simpler. Most days I eat toast and eggs, or sometimes cereal. I'm not a big breakfast chef, to be honest.
That's okay. At least you eat something. I sometimes skip breakfast when I'm in a rush, though I know it's not good.
I think we've all been there. So, how does your daily routine compare to Lily's?
It's quite similar in the mornings. I usually wake up around 7 a.m., do some light stretching, and then head to the kitchen for my coffee. I also check my phone while sipping it. It's my quiet time.
I can relate. I wake up around 6:30 a.m., and the first thing I do is open the window to get some fresh air. Then, yes, coffee time. Always coffee.
We really should start a coffee club.
Definitely. So after that, what do you usually do, Jane?
I get ready and start preparing for my workday. I work from home, so I spend a lot of time at my desk. Around 9 a.m., I begin checking emails, planning lessons, or recording content for our podcast.
That's true. We both spend quite a few hours in front of the computer. I also start work around 9, and like Lily, I usually take lunch around 1 p.m.
What do you usually eat for lunch, James?
It depends. Sometimes I cook something quick like pasta, or I just have leftovers from dinner. What about you?
I usually eat something light, maybe a salad or rice with vegetables. I try to keep lunch simple because I still need energy for the afternoon.
Smart choice. And after lunch, I usually go for a short walk. It helps me refresh my mind before getting back to work.
That's a great idea. I should start doing that too. Sitting all day is tiring.
It really is. Then after work, around 5:30 or 6 p.m., I like to unwind. I either watch a bit of TV, read something interesting, or go to the gym.
Wow, that's productive. I usually relax by reading or listening to music. And of course, dinner time is around 7 p.m. for me, just like Lily.
Same here. I love cooking dinner. It's almost like a therapy session. You focus, you taste, and suddenly you feel calm.
That's so true. I love trying new dishes on weekends especially. During weekdays, I keep it simple like grilled chicken or soup.
After dinner, I wash the dishes. Well, sometimes.
Honest confession, I do too, though I wish dishes could wash themselves.
Same. Then I usually read or listen to a podcast before bed.
Nice. I sometimes journal before bed, like Lily mentioned. It helps clear my thoughts.
That's a good practice. I should start doing that. And what time do you usually sleep?
Around 10:45 or 11, same as you. I think a good night's sleep really changes how you feel the next day.
Absolutely. So, looking at all this, most of our routines are quite similar to Lily's, just small differences in timing or habits.
Yes, and that's what makes this topic so useful. Everyone can relate to it, and it's full of practical English phrases.
Let's go over some of the key phrases from today's episode.
Great idea, James. Here are some examples.
Wake up at 6 a.m., brush my teeth and wash my face, have breakfast, go to work, take a bus or walk to work, eat lunch at noon, finish work at 5 p.m., relax at home, make dinner, take a shower, go to bed at 10:30 p.m.
Perfect examples, James. And don't forget the time expressions, like in the morning, at noon, in the evening, and at night.
Exactly. Those small words help your sentences sound natural and fluent.
Well, this was such a fun episode. I hope our listeners learned some new vocabulary and feel more confident talking about their own daily routines.
Yes, and remember, the best way to improve your English is to use it every day. Try talking about your own routine out loud or writing it down in a notebook.
Great advice. So before we wrap up, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode with your friends.
And leave us a comment below telling us what's one thing you always do every day.
We'd love to hear your answers.
Thanks for listening to Daily English Talks. Until next time, keep learning and keep talking.